Alright, so what's up? Sneakerhead on wheels, back at it with another one. This time, Jordan 4, Jordan 4 University Blue. And man, these things are dope. They're definitely ranking up there with my top 5 top 10 for this year. Um, yeah, University Blue, you can't go wrong with that. I like the little details in this shoe, like the extra little tag. I like it when there's little extra tags on things. I like busy stuff, as you can tell. Sweater, back wall. I like busy stuff. I like to stand out. Um, but yeah, I mean, base is kind of like the cement gray Jordan 4s. I've actually got those on my feet right now. Besides that, this one comes with the Jordan logo on the back. I don't mind too much when it's the Jordan logo on the back. I mean, being in a wheelchair, you don't see my heel, so I mean, to me, it's not a big deal. Yeah, I mean, it's white bottom with the air pocket. Can't go wrong with the air pocket. Yeah, I don't know a whole um, history behind on the back of the Jordan tongue. It says Air Jordan upside down, um, but it says it on these ones. Yeah, and yeah. Besides that, man, like they're really sick. I mean, you can't go wrong. Like I said, you can't go wrong with University Blue. It's actually my favorite type of blue. That or the Air Jordan. I mean the Nike SB Tiffany's. I got the Tiffany highs. Those are one of my favorite pairs of shoes. Got them way before the hype. Um, and yeah, I mean, on this it says Team 23. I don't even know. 1 second. Give me a second. It says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. I didn't even notice it said that until now. But I like the white Jordan tongue tag, and yeah. Then I guess here's the bottom of the shoe. I mean, I got it on a trade where they were slightly used. That's why there's one of those reseller tags on the bottom. Um, but yeah, I mean, that's that. I mean, I'll switch over to the GoPro so you can get like an up close and personal look at them. But yeah, I'll do that now. All right, so here's your up close and personal view on these shoes. Here's that little tag and the tongue tag. Blue laces, blue shoe, gray on the side, cement gray. Here's the next one, little tongue tag. Here's little shoelaces, blue netting on the side. There she is. That's the inside of the shoe. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, that one's upside down Jordan. Yep, there we go. There's the side. And boom. And let's see if I can get quad hands. Boom, perfect. There you go. White, gray, black, blue. That's how it goes. And there's the inside of the side. And yeah. And now, on to the box. So, size tag 12.5, Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 4, sorry. I'm just like, anyways. And yeah. Blue, white, flight. What? Gray. Yeah. What's up? GoPro, stop recording. Alright, now that we're done with the up close and personal, I'll run this into a little bit of on feet while I'm standing, while I'm sitting, and then towards the end of the video, I'm going to throw in a little bit that has me and my dog and how we are together and how he helps me and what, because I got him to pick up the camera after I was done, and then he tried to do a little snuggle sesh on my lap. And he's such a great dog. And then yeah, then I'll throw in one last little blooper if you want to stick around till the end. If not, you can fast forward, whatever. You do you. I'm just making the videos for you, and yeah. Anyways, let's do it. I'm so fly that I'm actually going into the sky. Oh god, that was real corny. Um, and Transformer. Transformers. Wiggly's like, check out them kicks, bro. I'm damn tall when I'm standing. I just realized that. Kinda. When I tried to go through the door frame and I was like, oh, I almost hit the top. Sometimes you kind of forget how tall you are when you're in a wheelchair and don't stand all the time. But that's a great thing about a standing wheelchair. Wiggly, you're in the way. Wiggly, watch out. Watch out. 1, 2. Wiggly, are you trying to say check out these fire kicks? Like, these are the University Blue, and like I like these ones because I get to sleep on them, but not really because Wiggly, you're gonna get slobber on my shoes. Not these ones because they're suede. They're buttery suede. They're sick. I love these shoes. Anyways, back we go, Wiggs. Let's go, Wiggs. Keep the heel. Heel. Thank you. That's what I got for you today. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little review. I just was looking at them today and I was putting on my Jordan 4 cements and I was like, you know what? I got the box out, I got the shoes out, why not just do a little review? And yeah, let me know if you liked it. Leave it in the comments. Hit a like, whatever works. Yeah, only good thing about being in a wheelchair is that I don't fuck up my kicks. You know what I mean? I mean, except for when you buy them secondhand. You know what I mean? But I can't stand creases. As long as they don't have creases, I'm cool with wearing them. I maybe do a little cleanup, but I can't do creases. I don't walk, so I mean they shouldn't crease. You know what I mean? Anyways, OCD. Peace. Wiggly. Right? Fetch. Wiggly fetch. 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 Oh boy, fetch. Fetch. Up, up. Oh, Wiggly. Fetch. Up, 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 up. Get him. Good boy. That's my boy. He's a good boy, eh, Wiggly? Are you a good boy? He's such a good boy. Up, up. Come on, up, boy. Wiggly, up, up. Wiggly, up, up. Yeah. Oh, he's such a good boy. Yeah, give him a kiss. You're a good boy. Oh, what are you doing? Are you fine? Oh, you're such a silly boy. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, it's a silly boy. Oh, you're so silly. Oh, you're so silly. Oh, you're so silly. Oh, who's a good boy? Oh, you're so silly. Oh, you're so silly. You like to rub your face all over me, don't you? You're such a good boy. Giving me kisses. Thank you. Thank you. I love you too. You're such a good service dog. Bye bye. I'm done. Fail. Fucking carpets. Carpets are not friends of wheelchairs. Just in case you didn't know that, they suck. My mom has, at her cottage, she has carpets, like pick-up-able carpets all over the house because, like, she's getting really old and she has a hard time walking on wood. So, yeah, I get stuck all the effing time. But, anyways, side note, bloopers.